and one, bing! Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we are celebrating late spring and early summer with the Nicoise salad. Now, Nicoise salad is an arranged salad or composed salad, which means that all the ingredients are laid artfully on top of a bed of lettuce instead of being tossed together. Typically, this beautiful salad has equal parts tomatoes, potatoes, olives, and then you can add whatever seasonal favorites you like. Oh yes, and a Nicoise salad almost always has either some anchovies or tuna. But first let's make a simple vinaigrette. Combine 1 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, ½ teaspoon salt, the juice of a half lemon, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon anchovy paste. Now, this is optional, but I highly recommend that you add it. It really adds a great little bite to the dressing. While mixing vigorously, slowly add ½ cup olive oil. Add the tomatoes to the vinaigrette, pull them out with a spider or a slotted spoon. Place this on your greens. Repeat this with the other vegetables: steamed baby potatoes, steamed green beans, olives, mushrooms, and hearts of palm. Make sure you leave room for a hard-boiled egg and sprinkle with fresh herbs like tarragon or basil, and then top with seared tuna. I love this salad. It's got the crunchy vegetables, tons of protein, it's tangy and bright with fresh herbs. Use your favorites that are in season and enjoy this salad for lunch or dinner. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today at Lakeside Table. I really hope you tried this Nicoise salad. And remember, whatever is your favorite vegetables, whatever's in season, just put it on your plate. You cannot go wrong with that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the full printable version of this recipe, head on over to lakesidetable.com and go have fun in your kitchen. And I will see you next week. Bye guys.